Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel if you're new. And welcome to this full video on SUI. Wanted to do a full update here, give you my thoughts on the technical situation, just in general the situation for SUI, which is a very strange situation. It's been strange basically since we got that massive rally at the start of August. But it's been one of the strongest performers in the last week or so. Started to really pop off the 6th of September. So just wanted to do a big update here. We're at a pretty crucial resistance level here at 1.15, which you can see historically is a strong resistance level. And also there's also the 382 Fib level, which is very strong as well, especially if it's coming from such a big Fibonacci retracement such as this. So we'll talk about that. But first of all, I want to talk a little bit about what's causing this bullish momentum, right? Because I think it's undeniable that SUI is bullish here, right? If you look at the 4-hour time frame, 2 Fridays ago, so 10 days ago, we started a big uptrend here. That uptrend, like this, technically, this is a real uptrend, right? There's nothing you can say about this uptrend. And then if you look at the 12-hour time frame, this also looks very strong. But when we talk about the fundamentals of SUI, listen, some of you might be part of the SUI ecosystem, and then you are exposed to certain things being built on SUI, etc. But I don't see much being built on SUI, and I also don't see, except for people talking about the price, I don't see a lot of people talking about SUI either way. And if you look at the statistics, look, what you can see is that the total value locked is going up, but that's obviously also going up because a lot of the value that's locked is in SUI. So if the price of SUI is going up, then the dollar value in SUI is going up as well. And I'm not sure if we can actually, put this in. No, we cannot put this in SUI itself. So total value locked going up doesn't really mean anything. DEX trading volumes are pretty stable here, I would say. And then daily active addresses, daily transactions are stable as well. Daily active addresses going up a little bit, but again, I don't really see much about it. So I would be cautious with SUI. Now, because of the strength we've seen, something or someone is pushing SUI, and sometimes when you see something like this, you should not think anymore about what's pushing it or a reason why it's this bullish, but just accept that it is. So I am also bullish on SUI here. I do think if we look at the current situation and the current resistance level we're at a very strong resistance level, right? So to break above this level here at 1.15, you'd need a lot of momentum, you'd need the market to be very bullish, or you'd need some sort of a narrative. Now, I don't think the narrative has fully settled yet, so I don't think that's enough. If I look at Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin is bullish. I don't see a lot of momentum at this point of time, at the start of this new week for Bitcoin. So I don't think that's going to pull it up as well, or either, I should say. And then if I look at SUI at the open interest here, it's going up, right? So we got some big buy orders coming in over this morning. But there is an imbalance here where you can see that the price is basically at the same levels here. But then you look at the open interest, that's much, much lower. And then you can also see that as the price has made some higher highs here, the RSI has continuously made lower highs, which is another imbalance or bearish divergence. So for now, I am bullish on SUI because the chart is just too bullish. But I do think we'll reject from 1.15. And what that will look like, it could look like multiple things. Could look like a spike up to 1.2, 1.25, and then a fake out down. Could also just be that we'll find resistance here. I think that's the most likely scenario, so that we will push into that level, but that we will find resistance as well, pull back towards some sort of a level right here at $1. And if $1 is able to hold here, which I do expect, I do think we'll be able to break above that later and rally up to 1.3 and 1.32 as my next price target. So that's what I would expect for now. All right, now, like I said, fundamentally, there's reason to be cautious on SUI, so I would be that. But technically, it just is very, very bullish, right? So unless we see any confirmation of SUI turning more bearish, or that bullish momentum being lost, I would say it's better to look for long positions on SUI or some very low risk short positions. But that's up to you. Those are at least my thoughts on SUI. All right, so if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.